Everybody. Today I got we'll get Elinor Fluttershy Zeke at the end while Elinor's waiting. But let's just start. Here it is. These are kind of similar to, it's not actually like a water gun, it's like fireworks. Well, not real fireworks with smoke, it's different. There's 4 of them. I ordered on Amazon. Since I was a little bored at Gardilla Park, we're gonna test outside. Here we have pink, but pink is for girls. I hope Fluttershy will like this since her hair is pink. Sorry, just silent. Let's make her feel better. Alright. Let's just turn her off for now on. Alright, she's turning it off. Alright. Let me wipe my lens for a second. Here we go. I think it's a little blurry. I'm using my fingers to clean. I'm sorry this is a little gross, but let's see my hand. Check the wide. I think a little bit is good. Here we have blue or teal, purple, just like Twilight Sparkle, pink for Pinkie Pie, light blue for Rainbow Dash or Minty, and yellow for Fluttershy. You know why? Because yellow and pink is Fluttershy's skin and her hair. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And we're gonna test the water. Well, we don't have a pool because I live in an old apartment building. Without elevators, just stairs. Not telling the address because I don't want to get in trouble. Right, Fluttershy? Yes. Let me wipe my lens for a second. There we go. Sorry, this is a little messy. We're only doing this a little boring video. Yeah, well, kind of. Since I don't have time and I have to go. And today we're going to see the fireworks in Playland. I'm not sure we're going to go this year. Right, Zeke? Yes. Sorry about that. The internet is out. Well, it's not out in all areas. I was trying to put the charger with this Midland radio to find a charger for this one. Because, look, it fits here. And I got the wrong one. Sorry about that. I think it was an accident or on purpose. We apologize for any inconvenience. Also, it has batteries also. I think it's double B batteries. I need to get some new ones. It might be around somewhere, so we're not going to put it. So I don't have batteries right now, so I'm going to close it instead. Here we go. Here we have some hook stand. And the antenna for the Midland radio. It's for the EAS, Emergency Alert System. And weekly tests. I don't know if this radio has Amber Alert. Well, it's only for weather services. Like tornadoes, floods, tsunamis. Well, my area doesn't have tsunamis. Only a little bit, depending. Alright, I guess we're going to test yellow and pink in this video because since Fluttershy is yellow and pink, we're going to test this water. Well, I guess I might have to choose yellow, or I guess we're gonna choose yellow. This one looks like a flower to me. I don't know if this is kind of similar to a girl toy because look, these colors. Well, it depends on your family if you want to buy this. It's available on Amazon. Alright, we're gonna test at the bathroom. Well, as you know, oh, the internet's back on. Alright, we're not gonna look this way since I don't want to get copyright issues. As you know, my mom says, and my dad says, she doesn't want me let me take pictures of bathrooms, like bathtubs and others, because, not telling the reason, because I don't want to get in trouble. Instead, I have a better idea. We're not gonna fill up in this video since it's a little messy. I don't want to get shown on camera. Instead, I'll try something else. But maybe we'll go to the pool after. We're gonna test this first at the bathroom. I'll see you when I finish filling up. Let's do the wall. Please note, do not try this at home if you're playing in the bathtub. So let's test this face this way. Here we go. Alright, that's it. Alright, we'll do that in the pool. I hope you like my squirt water videos. Alright, now we're gonna test at the pool so we could go to Gardella Park. There's only 2 pools in White Plains, Control Park and Gardella. But we're only gonna do Gardella since it's popular while the Control Park is cold. Yeah. Alright, Zeke and Elinor, are you ready? Sorry, my bed's wet because I already put it. Well, I didn't spill it on accidentally. I didn't spray the bed, it's just that it's... Never mind. Right, Zeke, we're going to the pool right now, I think. Yeah. Yes. Alright, let's go. Let's go to the pool. Okay. So we're gonna test at the pool, and here we go. Alright, Fluttershy, let's go to the pool. I'm not sure we're going. Okay. Alright, let's take these. And I'm going to open this one. Before we go to the pool, I'm at the dollar store right now, also known as Dollar Tree. I got 2 water truck. Ambulance. Emergency. To the pool, I got some of these, so here we go. I'll meet you when I get there. I don't know if it is allowed. Here we go. Yeah, probably not There we go. Alright, I finished my pool, so here we go. Go. I'll start with the red one. I don't have a tripod, I left it at home though. So here we go. Oops. There we go. There we go, I think it's good. Alright, now time for the other one. Alright, now for this. Gotta be careful with my phone though. Alright, this time, hold on. There we go. Alright, now we'll do slow motion. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Alright, that's all I have. I already refilled up this at the pool right here. Hope my phone doesn't get broken or wet, but this is not waterproof. Alright, that's it.